Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for another practical Hakka right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Lim Zap Siu. Hey, that's me.
Yeah.
And it's time to teach people some terms that you could use in everyday life. And this time, especially if you're learning a language like Hakka. 其实呢，因为每次 Alice 都在我旁边，所以你直接就可以教我一些智慧这样子。可是有的时候真的在外面啊，然后就是客家人跟我讲客家话，听不懂啊，然后就愣在那里。Alice 没有教过说怎么讲，你说什么我听不懂。
哦，好，那我今天就教你了。讲嘛嘅？
讲嘛嘅？你说什么 ？What you said？
矮糖唔是。
矮糖唔是，所以你只要讲矮糖唔是，就是我听不懂。
我听不懂。可是你不能一天到晚跟人家说矮糖唔是啊？
为什么？
这样人家就说哈，我讲什么你都听不懂。
哦，就觉得我有点智障那样子，是不是？
不会。
Anyways, again, that means what you just said I didn't understand. So I might politely say, 你可以再说一次吗 ？Can you repeat that again?
做得过讲。
做得过讲。
100模
100就是再一次的意思嘛。What you just said, could you repeat it again? Or maybe you just want to ask the other party to slow down. 有的时候呢是听不清楚而已，然后希望对方呢可以说慢一点，所以可以说慢一点吗 ？Can you slow down?
做得讲，
做得讲，
慢条的模，
慢条的模，慢条的模，就开车慢一点也是慢
条的模。
Okay, so whether you're driving or speaking, you can tell them to slow down. Now, a lot of times we just hear a term or a word and we don't understand what it means. 很多时候其实你在教我的时候，可能你讲了一个字，我说那个是什么意思啊？那这样的话就等于是 blah blah 叉叉是什么意思？那要怎么说？
叉叉，黑马嘅意思。
叉叉 that means fill in the blanks right there, whatever it is. 黑马嘅意思。
比方说我说獨木水，
完全听不懂了。獨木水，黑馬嘅意思。打瞌睡。That means falling asleep. See, now I can ask you in Hakka. 因为每次我都要用中文问你啊，是什么意思？我可以说黑马嘅意思。
对，海陸腔。獨木水。
獨木水就打瞌睡嘛
黑馬嘅意思。
黑馬嘅意思。
馬嘅意思。
馬嘅意思。
就是海陸腔的什麼意思？
感覺比較在罵人呢哈。
真的嗎？
可是 it's a different dialect, okay? It's a different tone, different dialect, and you can use it accordingly. Again, asking what does that mean? And that does it for today's practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.